state. United Democratic Party studying various aspects of Uniform Civil Code. Meghalaya government to constitute a search committee to appoint a new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. And Akashvani Shillong completes 75 years of its service to the people of Meghalaya. The news in detail. Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla on Friday held a meeting to discuss about preparedness of the state to tackle any natural disaster in the state in view of the ongoing monsoon spell. Talking to reporters, he said lightning will be now included as local disaster and even animals hit due to local strike will be covered as local disaster. Moreover, the minister also informed the government will now use drone for a vulnerability assessment of floods, landslides and other natural calamities. In addition, the meeting also discussed about arriving at a long-term solution to the problems of frequent landslides at Sonapur Tunnel along the National Highway 6.
So this is most of the time we don't know that whether this lightning strike is included or not for the compensation when it comes to ex-gratia lightning strike. So now I would like to share to our friends that this has been declared as a local disaster. So as per the norms provided by the central government, and we follow almost the same, it's the same only. So we pay the compensation for those people who lost their life in lightning strike, and even for animal strike, lightning strike, even that also means covered in this local disaster.
UDP President Medbat Lingdo on Friday said the party is still studying various aspects of Uniform Civil Code and hence it has not taken any stand on the matter. According to the UDP President, there is a need to understand the matter first before commenting on the matter, as the Uniform Civil Code will be of civil laws and not criminal laws. Recently, the KHADC has adopted a resolution against the UCC and the opposition UDP in the council also supported the move. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma have also opposed the UCC by saying that it is against the idea of India, which is unity in diversity.
It will be fair and appropriate for me to do so. I leave it to the party to decide on that. I have nothing to say on that. One should understand that the UCC will be of the civil laws, not the criminal laws. The criminal laws is completely different, which is already there in place. They talk about what CRPC and all this. But the civil laws, that is what they're talking about as far as the UCC is concerned.
The state government will constitute a search committee to appoint a new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, MSCW. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdo on Friday said the search committee will comprise government officials and non-official members who would be drawn up from colleges like the principal of Women's College and Lady Keane College. Lingdo said some stopgap arrangements will be considered until a new chairperson is appointed. On the removal of Pidalia Toy from the chair, Lingdo said he exercised his power to act without fear, favor, affection or ill will.
We decided to constitute a search committee comprising of both officials and non-official members. The official members are important officials of the government of Meghalaya, and the non-official members are drawn from the colleges. For instance, the principal of Women's College and Lady Keane's College.
Akashvani Shillong, which was inaugurated on 1st July 1948, has stepped into its 76th year of service today, thus completing the 75 years of its service to the people of the state. To commemorate the 75 years of broadcasting, a special function was organized at Akashvani Shillong. Esteemed artists from the state, including Lumajao and Silbi Pasa's dance troupes, performed at the function. Artists like Lumajao and Silbi Pasa have nurtured their talents in Akashvani Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, officers of different departments of Akashvani expressed their commitment to meet the demands of the people of Meghalaya in informing, educating and entertaining them while moving towards 100 years of journey in the next 25 years. All India Radio Shillong Guwahati was inaugurated at Shillong on 1st July 1948 by the then Governor of Assam, Sir Alwar Hyderabad, in the presence of the then Chief Minister of Assam, Gopinath Bordoloi. It was in the year 1969 that All India Radio Shillong became an independent station. East Janta Hills Police foiled a drug smuggling attempt and arrested 4 persons along with 51.03 kilograms of ganja in their vehicle on Friday night. The arrest was made based on credible information received about a Santro vehicle with a Tripura registration number travelling from Umkyang to Kliriat, suspected of carrying illegal contraband. East Janta Hills Police set up a checkpoint at Umtara and detained the Santro vehicle. Meanwhile, in West Janta Hills, the police has also detained Sdanki Mirpet, who is reportedly one of the main drug suppliers in Jowai town. The arrest took place at around 3 a.m. yesterday. With an aim to impart quality computer education knowledge to the students of Alpha English Higher Secondary School, Nongpo, the Computer Science Laboratory was inaugurated in the school on Friday. The Computer Science Laboratory was inaugurated by the local MLA of Nongpo constituency, Miralbon CM. Meanwhile, the Alpha English Higher Secondary School, Nongpo, also felicitated 4 students who had successfully passed the SSLC and HSSLC examination by securing position in the top 10 and top 20 examination 2023 conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education. A truck transporting an excavator overturned near Umket Bridge, causing a major road blockage and leaving several local people stranded on the Bhoirambong-Kirdem road. The incident occurred today around noon, leading to traffic disruption in the area. The timing of this unfortunate event coincided with the weekly Umroi market, which added to the congestion and inconvenience for the stranded individuals. Fortunately, there were no reported casualties as a result of the accident. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was recorded at 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 90%, while in evening was 82%. 9.2 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya government takes stock of preparedness to tackle natural disasters in the state. United Democratic Party studying various aspects of Uniform Civil Code. Meghalaya government to constitute a search committee to appoint a new chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. And Akashvani Shillong completes 75 years of its service to the people of Meghalaya. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.